Module 2. Rice crop planting and management. And in this video, you will be taught about the best crop practices for rice. So, let's get started. Sowing. Right after carrying out the germination test, prepare the seeds for sowing. There are basically 3 sowing methods. The dibbling. Well, here you will open up a spot in the soil and sow 5 to 8 seeds at a depth of 2 to 3 centimeters. Now, remember to space them out at about 30 by 30 centimeters or 20 by 20 centimeters at a seed rate of 50 to 60 kilograms per acre. The second method is dribbling. In this method, you will make a small groove about 2 to 3 centimeters deep in the soil. Then you will sow the seeds sparsely in the groove and cover with soil. This can be done at a 25 to 30 centimeter row spacing and 5 centimeters within the rows. Also, the seed rate for this particular method is 75 to 80 kilograms per hectare. And lastly, broadcasting. With this particular method, spread out the seeds on the soil surface without any special pattern. In this case, use a seed rate of about 80 to 100 kilograms per hectare. Now, let us look at the good crop management practices. Thinning seedlings. Thin the seedlings about 2 to 3 weeks after sowing, ensuring that you have 3 to 4 seedlings per stand if you're using the depot seeded method. Alternatively, you can use drill seeding, then maintain only 1 seeding per standing. Also, ensure the distance between them is at least 5 centimeters to avoid overcrowding. Fertilizer application. Now, fertilizer is necessary to increase nutrient content in the soil. It is recommended that farmers should apply fertilizer before sowing, right after the final harrowing. When necessary, the farmer should obtain the fertilizer recommendation based on their soil sample analysis. So, please look out for your local farmer's handbook to get more information about the fertilizer recommendation and the application rate for the various varieties of rice. Weed control. There are 2 main methods to carry out this: hand weeding and the use of chemicals. With hand weeding, the first weeding should be done thoroughly and within 2 to 3 weeks after sprouting. This can be done using a hoe. The second weeding should be done 6 to 7 weeks after sprouting, while the third really can only be done if necessary. Like I said, the second method is the chemical weed control. Now, this can be done before and after sowing. For this particular method, extra attention should be given to the type, mixture content, and application rate of the herbicide. Please read the instruction manual attached to the chemical before use. Disease control. Now, the first defense against disease is to buy and plant disease-resistant varieties. Secondly, always use clean, healthy seeds and remember to treat them 1 to 2 days before sowing. Lastly, have an expert assess your crops in case you have any damage or discoloration. They'll guide you on what chemicals to spray to avoid the situation. And lastly, pest control. Now, different pests have different control measures. Chemicals or insecticides could be used to kill some bugs. However, it should be done over about 4 weeks. This is because some insects lay eggs that might not be affected by the applied chemical. Now, other methods include use of natural enemies to kill the pests. For example, the ladybird beetles are natural predators to the mealybug. And lastly, good post-harvest behavior like treating seeds before storage also lower the chances of pest infestation. Now that we have looked at these crop management practices, we hope that these tips will make you a better farmer and help you better manage your rice plantation. Good luck, and thank you for watching.